Welcome to my chaotic video. It's family time. Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a very cute little Valentine's Day craft for your children's classrooms. And I'm also going to be making Nana do everything, so stay tuned. Okay, so Valentine's Day is around the corner and I really wanted to bring you guys this video so that you could do the same thing or get an idea of something to do for your kids' class. So I have prices for you. Everything is available in Jamaica, right here in Kingston, which is where I found some prices for you. And then we have some printables that you can get online, or you could maybe do them yourself or find them for free somewhere. So let's begin. What's this? Not sure, but okay. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fix up this little... Oh, Levi's bringing a chair. I was wondering what that noise was. Okay, come, Levi. Oh, he's heading up. Oh, he's on his way. Come up some more. There we go. Man of the moment. In his head top. All right. So I got this off of Etsy, the printable. So what a printable is you like a piece of card or what do you call it? An image, a digital image that you like. You pay for it. I believe it was $2 or $3. Then I sent the link to Paperboy JA and they printed them off for me. I asked them to print on cardstock. Now, this printable here, it says Valentine, I pick you. And then we have some pencils here. And the pencil is supposed to go through the nostril and then Levi's name here. So, Nana, we're going to look and see exactly where the pencil goes through. I think it's just through a nostril. And put them in. Levi, you need to write your name on all of these. And I'm going to tell you guys where to get the pencils. Okay, so if you guys head over to Practical Stationery, that's in King's Plaza, Mom?
Yes.
In King's Plaza, you can find pencils. So for 8 pencils, they have $210. They have push point pencils on sale, 5 for $150. 12. So if you go to Practical Stationery, you'll get pencils for a good price. There's also a basket of things on sale. And it was, where was it? I believe it was $100 and it was a whole stack of pencils, a dozen pencils. Write your name there. Good job, Levi.
Okay,
so
I love that you got the pencils that are the proper hold ones to encourage them to hold the pencils
so this
properly.
is what his class uses.
Oh, really?
So yeah, the fat pencils. So we have these pencils here, which are, I like to call them the fat pencils. So we're going to, where would you put the slit through the...
Yeah, you're gonna have. I thought a glue dot would hold it, but maybe
no, man.
not.
I think we'd have to like put a slit in one of the nostrils, so the pencil is picking the
Oh, gotcha.
the nose.
Than that.
That might be hard, you know. How did they have it on Etsy?
That's okay. So you can.
Through both nostrils.
Do you like that?
Would you over?
Do you like that, or do you want it to go through the nostril?
I want it to go through the nostril.
Okay, let me make a.
Let me see how they did it on Etsy. It goes through one nose and then
one nostril.
One nostril.
One nose?
One nose.
Okay.
So I'm just checking back in Etsy to see how it looked in the picture. Also, I bought a hobby knife to do like a
to do a slit?
Right,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a hobby knife.
All right.
Okay.
Good.
Let me make a slit and see if that will be okay.
So your friend Levi. Levi is now writing. Levi, you're not doing. All right. Do your name very better than more than this.
Very better more.
Don't want to discourage him.
I'm doing a lot.
Levi is writing his name on the bottom where it says your friend. He's writing his name, Levi. Okay. Levi, when you're writing the I on your name, it's not a tennis racket, just a dot, okay? All right, Nana is now slicing a hole, so she's gonna test it out. Pick the nose. So if you're getting this printable, you need to, I thought it was just a line, but you actually need to cut out the whole nostril. Professional Nana in your card room.
There you go.
Excellent. Very good job.
Okay, thanks, Ren.
Remi's taking some of the crafts in her
Can
supermarket.
you turn on the fan, please?
Are you sure these things won't blow?
Great.
Okay, so here we have one.
Please, can you draw with me?
So
Look
I'm actually going to turn it around so the pencil.
Mom, can you draw with me?
Sure, babes.
Hold on. My niece
This has a piece of glue on it.
No, I don't have that going through the. Do it through the back of the, so you don't block the.
How many ways can you stick the pencil in a hole? I promise you guys, it's a simple craft. It's just, really easy, just really super easy. Don't worry.
Here.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Let's.
So give them a blue pen. Alright, we'll figure the colors out after. Yes, a blue pencil to the blue paper.
Oh, blue and blue is boring. What if you're giving it to a girl? You don't want to give it.
Then there's pink. Here we go. Here's a craft. I pick you, Valentine, from Levi, and it's just a little pencil. Just because I think, first of all, to give food at school, or candy at school, you don't need any more candy. Just a little gift, a little pencil.
And it's a good play on words, and we love a good play on words.
It's a good play on words. And these are the size pencils that they use in the class. So I thought this was a great idea. You can check Practical Stationery. They have pencils, a dozen from $100, and then they go up. They have the 5 push point pencils that are $150
So
on
how
sale.
much would that cost total for all of his class and break down for each
Let's say
child?
he's doing 2 dozen. Mommy, you want me to divide right now?
We do some math, yes.
All right, so we have, let's say we're going to use the pencils in the sale container. So that would be $200 for 2 dozen, right? Plus, Siri, what is $4 in Jamaican dollars?
You have to say 4 multiplied by 155.
is equivalent to about 624.91 Jamaican dollars.
Okay, so plus $600 equals 800. So we've spent $800 on the craft. Oh, how much did Paperboy charge me to print?
I don't know why.
All right, so I'm not sure about, let's put in, and then,
Couldn't it be more than $500?
okay, let's put plus $500. I'm not sure. That's $1,300 divided by 24 kids in the class. It's less than that. So this is too close. You're too close. So this is $54 for each little craft for the. Yeah, oh yes, and now here's Levi.
I draw the dinosaur.
Hold on, they can't see. Hold on.
Okay.
All right. Oh wow, Levi, that's great. All right, finish writing your name on the card.
$54 and a little effort.
So yeah, $54 and a little
That your
effort.
kids can help with. Look at him helping.
Levi is writing his name. All right, guys. I'll be back in a little while. I'm going to show you what we're doing here, and then I'll be back with the craft for Remi's class.
Nana, can I help you do the thing?
Yes, baby. It's all the way down, and he's got a hammer at the back of his tail. Yes, sure does.
Mom, can you draw all the rest?
You want me to write the names?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
How many can you write?
Can
you write plenty?
Can I help you cut out the nose?
No, I would prefer.
The nose is a knife.
Is a knife, and the knife is. All right, hold on. Give me a little space on the mat, Naman, on the cutting mat. Oh, excellent tracing.
You have to go in the line.
I definitely will go in those lines. Thank you very much. You write your name, and are you
Hey, Dad.
gonna give me the
Levi
lines
is doing
as well?
little Valentines for his class.
Yeah,
Okay, but
Show
sign
Papa
your
what
name.
you're doing.
Sign your name. I don't.
I'm trying to trace the line.
Okay, very good.
Doing Levi?
Just putting some tape.
Yeah.
on
Oh,
this.
you're doing your own.
And then I show everybody I do
Yeah.
that.
Oh wow, yours looks real good, Levi. Is that for your Valentine?
Yeah, I'm gonna show it to my friends. I'm gonna show it to everybody that is.
Nana, do you have any Valentine's cards you're working on? You want to show us anything?
I'm going to show everybody at school.
I actually. No, this is. Oh, I can't show you that one. So I made for Sean to give to you.
Oh, it's a nice one. Can I glimpse it?
No, I've given them out.
This is a card.
So I'm showing this to
Innovative
my
Sisters.
friends and everybody.
Sorry.
So we have, yes, baby.
Look, I'm gonna
Oh, this
show
is my next
everybody.
thing that I'm doing. Shadow boxes. So that's a preview. I haven't even.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's about. Oh, I mean, it's thick.
Yeah.
So it has different dimensions. to
Hold
it.
on.
Where's the one with the light? I can't see that one so good. All right. So in the meantime, these are Levi. These are for your class. Okay. These are your Valentines for your classes. Do you like your class? Do you like them?
Yep.
Who has the best mommy in the world?
You.
I have the best
Okay.
one. You're correct.
This is the other one.
Oh wow, Mom, and it has a light
Yeah.
and a unicorn. Has
So-
Remy seen this?
No.
Turn off the light and then turn it back on.
Nobody's seen it. I'm busy.
Ooh! Alright, turn on again. Wow! You can have different settings. That's nice. Very nice.
Okay, these will be by order only. I just finished them.
This is all of the. You remember when you're growing up, your parents are like, keep your room tidy. This is my mom's room. This is my mom's room. Mom, tidy your room.
Trust me, this is tidy. When Jodi said she was going to be in here, I was like, what? Swept the floor. Well, Levi swept the floor. Threw things in corners. Because it gets messy very quickly when you're creating.
Nice.
But yeah, so.
Those boxes are really nice.
Oh, thank you. I'm excited to show them. I'm just trying to get Valentine's Day out and
Yes.
then I'm going to post them and get ready for orders, I hope.
You'll get
Alright.
orders.
Thank
Alright.
you. Ellie. Oh, a lot of tape, Levi.
No waste of tape.
Oh, goodness. that's a
Okay,
bit
everybody,
much.
that was the Valentine craft for Levi's class, the IPQ with the pencil going through the nose, play on words, a little gift for the kids. Each of those come in about $50. Let's round it up. Let's round it way up. $100 per child. I don't think that's too much. And I gave you different prices for pencils at Practical Stationery. Okay, Remi's class now. So Remi's class, I think giving them a pencil, it's a little too mature for them. The pencil can juke out the eye. So Remi's zone says, "You blow me away, Valentine," from Remi. So I'm going to write in the Remi, and then with another play on words, bubbles. So the bubbles that I ordered for Remi, I got her little red and pink bubbles off of Amazon. They're not here yet. So in the meantime, we're just going to punch the holes on the paper, cut the string, and just do one up for you with a little tube of bubbles, very similar to the one that we'll be using. That
Is
she
it
had
going
at
to be
home.
that or is it going to be the little square ones?
It's going to be this.
Oh, okay.
It's going to be this. So how do we do this? Two little holes and a string.
A little bow.
Guys,
Oh,
look, you can still draw
Stop
this.
this and let me figure it out.
Okay,
Guys,
Nana's going
so-
to figure it out. Oh, you have to
You
stand
can
up,
still
Levi.
draw it.
So Levi is using his pencil that he
So
made.
look, guys, I did this and I put some tape right here so the pencil can hold up. And I'm not finished it yet. I still have to draw stuff down there.
Uh-huh.
And it can still write stuff. You see, there's that. And let me just show you.
I like that you siphoned off a few pencils for your pencil box.
See, this is what I drawed right there where drew, where I'm pointing.
Let me turn down the lights a
I
little. Hold on.
drawed all of these
Drew,
stuff.
Drew.
And I'm not finished it, so I'm gonna do some more.
All right. So Levi is going to finish up with his pencil craft, and now we're going to move on to Remi's craft with the bubbles. So Mom is trying out right now a small hole punch that will just string some string through. So we're going to see if that looks good. And if it looks good, then we will just prep the others. So again, it was a printable, a digital download off of Etsy for the little cards. Got them printed on stock paper in color. And I believe to one letter size piece of paper, I was able to get 8 of these. So the cost for printing, let's round up again, $500. The downloadable round up $400, and the bubbles. How much were the bubbles? Also, I did see packs of bubbles at Practical Stationery. They're a little bigger than this. But if you go to a party store, maybe you will also find packs of bubbles. How much did I pay for my bubbles? $14 for 36. So $14. Siri, how much is 14 US dollars in Jamaican dollars?
14 US dollars is equivalent to about 2,190 Jamaican dollars.
Dollars, all right. And my Siri, I put her to be Australian, yeah? All right, so let's work that out. We're going to do 2,000 because we're not going to give away all the bubbles, yeah? 2,000 plus, we say we printed it twice. Oh, printing is 500, yeah? Plus, what else do we do? Bubbles, printing, the downloadable $4. Don't worry, we'll just mash that all in.
Are you going to need a little piece of ribbon?
A little piece of ribbon. They have ribbon also at Practical Stationery, and let's divide that by 24. Oh, that's so nice. There we go. So 208. Let's round that up. $300 each for these little $300. That sounds like a lot.
Yeah, that sounds like a lot.
You know why though? But it's 36 bubbles, but I'm only using 24 of them. So I need to subtract. Too much adding this. So
And you can use the bubbles for even a Sunday when you're up here.
yeah.
Or,
So I'll have Remi love our bubbles. This is what Remi's little Valentine will look like. So right now we're just gonna write in her name.
you'd need to tape the back and then just put 2 dots.
Yeah.
I actually had to use my...
So now I just used a small hole punch here. So I guess you could use an ice pick if you don't have a hole punch, because that looks looks like the same thing as a ice pick. And then there we go. So everybody in the class can feel a little bit of love on Valentine's Day. You know, just get a little bit of something. I like to, you know me, I love to celebrate. Any little thing we just celebrate. So that's it. Levi, who has the best mummy in the world?
Oh, no. Oh, hold on. Careful,
Scissors. Who has the best mummy? Who is the best mummy? Who has the best mummy? He's saying I have the best mummy. Alright guys, so when I was shopping, I picked up these little gift boxes here. I just thought they were so cute. I don't remember the price on them. I think they were $200 each, or is it $500? So I got these, and I thought what mommy could do was put like one of her paperwork art things over where it says a thank you, and Levi could say to his teacher, and then I would put the teacher's gift in here. So that's what these were, and I thought they were really cute. See? And then the teacher opens and I'm like, oh, Levi! Thank you so much! You get an A!
So guys, this is what I made.
To the camera, like this. Right, see?
And I made a little heart at the bottom and a straight line, and I put my name here. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put this over on the table. And what I did over here is my finished thing. So this is a pencil, but the pencil has tape on it. And it says my name, and it says Heavenly Father up the top. And this is my name. So that's what I did. So I'm just going to draw other stuff. So what I'm drawing is everybody. I'm just drawing a happy face. So everybody can enjoy and just have a nice time. And this the smiley face. These are the eyes. These are the legs. It's a spider, but it's a happy spider. I drawed my name at the top. Levi.
Can you say, everybody remember to like and subscribe?
Everybody remember to like and subscribe.
Good to make it stick.
Who has to put a weight on it?
I'll put a weight.
Oh.
A book is fine.
Okay.
But otherwise it'll move around. And that.
Okay. We're just covering up. Oh, sorry. She's just covering up the label.
She? Who's she? The cat's mother?
No, mommy is covering up the label, not me. Because I was saying we.
Oh, I thought you said
Is
she.
this the book that your story is in?
Yes! And hold on.
There we go. Wonderful.
All right, so just going to put a weight on it because this paper is a little waxy.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So that's where we just
write.
write to Levi's teacher, and on the back he can do like a little drawing or well wishes. Look at her, look at her. You gonna cook Sunday dinner now?
Ish. No, Daddy cooked.
Oh!
Wrong one.
You guys have to stand back.
Oh, he got a journal. Nana made him a journal. So now that's allowed over there.
Private. Nana,
Yes, sir.
what does this mean again?
Journal, day by day. Journal is a French word, means day by day.
Journal and private.
Yep, so every day you write a little bit in there about your day. Okay?
Wonderful.
Oops.
No mistakes.
Always mistakes, you just get good at covering them up. Okay, babes, there you go.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.